The Enforcement Directorate has raided premises linked to former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister and Congress leader Bhupesh Baghel and his son. The ED raids as far as various locations are concerned. The ED likely to question them in regard to the coal scam and the Mahadev app scam as well. And this is, raids taking place in multiple locations in regard to that case.
कोई हैरानी की बात नहीं है। विपक्ष के यहाँ ईडी को ही भेजने का एक परंपरा भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने शुरू कर रखी है। यह रेड किस केस में है किसी को नहीं मालूम, क्यों हो रही है नहीं मालूम। आज से कुछ दिनों पहले कोर्ट ने सीबीआई का एक केस जो बघेल साहब के खिलाफ था उसको खारिज कर दिया था। कोई केस बघेल साहब के खिलाफ अभी नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी आज ईडी की रेड उनके यहां हो रही है, क्योंकि भूपेश बघेल जी अब पंजाब में अपनी राजनीतिक गतिविधियां शुरू कर रहे हैं, प्रभारी बने हैं, तो उनको वहां डिस्टर्ब करने की कोशिश की जा रही हो। जो भी हो, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक अंग बनकर आज ईडी जिस तरह की काम कर रही है ये भूला नहीं जाएगा, हम भी याद रखेंगे।
We have my colleague Anurag joining us to get us more details. Anurag, of course, the Congress party hitting out at the Enforcement Directorate and making those claims again in regard to, central agencies being used against the Congress party.
Yes, the Congress is alleging that, the central agencies are being used by the ruling party. But the ED has raided Chaitanya Baghel and Bhupesh Baghel. They, reside in Sector 6 of Bhilai and more than 14 locations also linked to Bhupesh Baghel in Durg district and elsewhere in Chhattisgarh are being searched by Enforcement Directorate officials. But the Congress is claiming the action, as you have heard the Congress leader, being followed by a court decision to dismiss a false case which is being claimed by the Congress that has been running for, 7 years. And now the Enforcement Directorate has entered the Bhilai residence of former Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel and this morning, and they're also saying that they're trying to stop the Congress in Punjab through this conspiracy, and
Right.
and that way they're misunderstanding the political power of Bhupesh Baghel as claimed by the Congress.
Thank you so much, Anurag. We will keep tracking that story and coming back to you for more on that.